Hello everyone, sorry, my microphone was muted. Hello, I'm just getting things ready. Yeah, let me stop the stream because I have the stream running on the background. So let's start slowly, right? Which one was the one that I wrote today? Let me update this. Yeah. Okay. Let me just do something like this. Sorry, I'm just. It's fast. Okay, 1 second. Maybe I should start the. Oh God, my English today is gonna be fine and fun. So, what are we supposed to do today? Honestly, we will be doing something interesting, and it will be. I'm still organizing it. Sorry. Okay, so this will go here. Yeah, I still need to figure out the best way to stream and organize everything. So, okay, this will be here. This disappeared. Okay. Okay, so I'll put this in like third 6. Sure. Yeah, I just wanted to see stats. Maybe center. Okay, center. This will go here, right? Right. I don't like this as big as it is right now. So maybe something like this. The other thing is perfect, and this one will be moved to the other screen. So this screen is stream related, and I can see all of the chats at once, which is the ideal way of looking at it. Yeah, let's go. I'm just getting the post. I hate sometimes I hate stuff that could actually be faster, but sometimes it tends to sometimes takes more time than it needs to actually take. But yeah, I think if you go to the Twitch stream, I think you should be able to, if you follow, something will pop up. Yeah, it's gonna be it's gonna be nice, I hope. But this only works on Twitch. I don't know why. Okay. Let me do this. Okay. We are live. And let me do the same in Discord on the Crazy Tech Studio channel. Because, yeah. Everyone. Publish now. Yo, let's go. Let's have some fun. I think I have everything ready. Okay, right. This sometimes it's really hard to track everything. I have a lot of softwares. I have a lot of everything open to make sure that I can cover everything, so I can read all of the stream chats and everything. Okay, so yeah, I think we are good to go now. Let me change the recording. Yeah, we have the sub followers. Let me see if it looks all right or not. Let me put it in full screen. Oh, I don't know why it's in Portuguese, but sure. Manage goals. I thought it should be in English, but the preview shows it. I really do not understand it. In Twitch, it shows.
Tilda Zowie Tilda says, hello again.
Hello again. Let me see if everything is working. Yep. Let's go. Okay, let's initialize. Initialize this. Yeah, the server is not working. Do I have the RPC running? Sorry, I need to see if the RPC is running. Oh yeah, it's not running because I needed to reload the Docker container. Okay, now it's running. Okay, let's see if it's working properly. I know that I don't have the web server running. It's complaining about the bitrate. What? Why? Why? Okay. What was the error? Contract not deploy? Yeah, possibly the contract is not deployed. Let's see. Yeah, before I start with Chase Me to the Moon, I'll be doing a quick check. Swagger. Get con. I'm not sure if I'm using the contracts or tokens, but let's get all of the tokens. Not extended. Kata. Yeah, we have Kata. Wonderful. This is the NFTs. And we should also have get contracts. Main catacomb. Just yeah, it's deployed, so nice. So the last thing that I need to start. This is just for me to see the status because I told the community that I will be checking the status on catacomb. The name will be changed, by the way. This is not going to be catacomb. Let me put it up here. Okay. I'm not sure if the web service is actually like the last things that I was doing actually was getting things to a stable state. I'm not 100% sure if everything is running, so the project it might not run, honestly, but we'll see. It checks the server is online. Error while connecting to the contract. Yeah, I was doing some shenanigans, so yeah, I don't think it's a problem, honestly, because I was actually changing things. I was actually changing things around. That's why probably would not work. Oh, and also I need Poltergeist. It's been a while since I started up this project. So we'll see. Like, I'm receiving the requests on the server side, so the server, it's working. Let me put the Unity thing up here. Okay, let's go with this wallet. Okay, I need to change the RPC. Local net, yes. Not 0. I have the
Miguel
money.
Costa says,
Hey.
hello Tech.
Hello. Hello, Miguel. Let's see. If now it detects like the wallet, if it detects the contract, and why it's not detecting the contract. I will do a quick debug. Maybe I have enabled a 3D version and that's why it's not working. No, everything is enabled. Okay. So, Script Manager. I don't know why it opened another. Okay, yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Okay, let me see. Connect to the contract. Let me see the contract name that it's using. Come on. Sorry, it's loading all of the packages, so it takes some time. Let's go. Come on. Yeah, it's using Catacomb as the name of the contract, and maybe I'm using the wrong RPC. Sorry, you didn't change any code. Yeah. Yeah. It's actually like it says connection handler. My contract message. Yeah, Catacomb. Get contract, enter contract. Let me see if I have that message. Enter start core routine, connection manager, Phantasma API. But I have the connection manager, so don't destroy unload, connection manager. Yeah, it's correct. What? And I'll do get contract. And a get contract, you should send contract name or chain. Yeah, exactly. It's get contract main catacomb, exactly. Method get. What? What? Okay. Quick. Let's do this quick. Sorry. RPC get contract. I'm gonna. Okay. Get contract. This never happened before? Because you can send a post and like it's returning catacomb, so sometimes coding is weird. Really. It says it's not connecting to the contract, which is weird. The line that it throws on contract messages, error while connecting to the contract. Okay, when is this called? Register events.
Miguel Costa says, in Portugal in this case we say okay caralho ja.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Now, but I'm like, what's happening? Why it's not loading? Like the I could show you the web server running. Let me. Catacomb. This is okay. This is the game. Where is this? Okay. See, the server is running, and I think it's fetching correctly everything regarding contract data. Okay, so yeah, it starts. It's working. The only thing that it's killing me is this. Like, if you are using Unity, right? Unity, which Unity? This Unity. Error while connecting to the contract catacomb. But I have the server running. I have catacomb deployed. So, what's the issue? Interesting. If it was not fetching, maybe no. I'll try to use like localhost instead of the thing that you normally use. But I don't think that's the problem. It shouldn't. If it is, it shouldn't. Yeah, it shouldn't. So sending my contract message while connecting to the contract. And if you go to the thing while connecting to the contract, it's here. What calls this? It's the events handler and the crypt manager. And when an event is triggered on contract messages, it's where it evokes. So connect to contract. I think this is the first thing that are called. Maybe it's using the wrong name. I don't think so, but it might be using the wrong name. Depending on the game config that's using. So let's see. Okay, we are using this one. It's int mode, and it's not exposed the name. Okay. So if it's int mode and you go to contract name, the contract name it's always the same, so it doesn't change. Okay. So I'll try to use kata, just to be sure that it's nothing nothing wrong. Let's see. No, it can't connect to the contract. What? let's see if I can reproduce this. Which this is really weird. Like we can use the RPC to see if this is working. Like okay. Okay. Let's try, for example, get contract with geo uppercase. Was not found the get contract. What? But the get contract it's here, right? Get contract. So it's running with a get contract, and you pass the first argument as get contract. Because if you do something, let's say get nexus, it's extended, you don't need, so let's do get nexus, right? And you do like, just to be sure that I'm doing the right thing. False. I think I know, but I wish I didn't. Because nothing will work if it's called from the RPC. Ah, Jesus. That's why I haven't been developing. How can we do this? How can we do this? Just to get to be sure. You'll need to give me 1 second. I'll be like doing the intermission. I'll change myself to here because I need to open a project real quick. It's weird. It is. I can change back. Sorry. I just need to check one thing. It's not... come on. It's because of this. They are not getting registered. So... if they are not getting registered, the catacomb thing will not work if you try to fetch something that it's not there. So... how can you do that? How can you do that? It's get contract or get contracts. It was there, but get account. Get account, it's the well widely known. So if you do this and you try the method get account. Okay, and welcome everyone to the stream. I'm gonna use the node for the tests. The node address for the tests. Okay, the get account, it works. Why the get account works and the others doesn't? So get account. Are they being registered as like this works? But I didn't pass any other values, but you should be able to pass something like false. Yeah, okay, it works. But why doesn't why the others don't work? Like the get account works, get transaction I think it will work, but I'll need to check the API, the Phantasm API. I'll need to check the Phantasm API. It's not this one. It's loading. It's lagging a lot. I hope you guys don't have a bad stream. I know it might be failing some stuff because I have a lot of things running at the moment. And it's quite demanding for a computer to be running everything. So I'm sorry for if it drops the quality or things like that. So yeah. What's the difference between contract? Get contract and, for example, account. It has an API fill case. It's the only difference? Contract. This is based on base controller. It's the only difference, so it might be that. For example, on this one, do we do anything? Service, and we get the service API. Do we do the same thing on contract? Yeah, we do the same thing on the contract, so I don't understand why it's not working. I'm trying to get it. Like get contract, and we'll say main and something. So if it doesn't fail, get contract not found. Wait, one. Okay. Okay. Catacomb. Yeah, no token, for example. I think it's like main, and then the second field will be cata. Yeah, okay, sorry. It's like cata and then false, for example. Get token. I'll do something like get cata, get token, I don't know. Get token? Get tokens?
Vicky Patel says, hey bro.
Hey bro. What? I don't understand. Okay, anyway. Yeah, sorry guys. I thought I was able to show you the game. Okay, what I'll do tomorrow, I won't stream tomorrow. So what I will be doing is I'm gonna work, and on work I will try to see if it's a quick fix or not. So I don't want to waste any more time on this right now. Later I will, but right now I was going.
Patel says, hey brother.
Hey brother. I was going to show you like Catacomb, the state of Catacomb, but I'm not able to connect to the contract. Don't know the reason. I'll do something, not IO. It's info. I'm gonna test if we can get anything on the RPC, like in this RPC, if I can get JSON 2.0, sorry, method get contract ID 1 params main, and the second one stake, I don't know. Don't know. Maybe the RPC on my end is bugged, because you saw firsthand that it's working. I'll try again. Yeah, something on my version is broken. Need to review it. But later, not right now. Okay, so yeah, I'm sorry, can't show. But once I fix this, I think it's just the chain that it's not running properly. But I will do something to fix it. The other thing is that we have two versions. We have the 2D and 3D. I'm going to show you some scenes. Okay, let's disable 2D. Let's disable these layers. Yeah, the game 2D, it's not going to work, but at least the UI should work. Yeah, the UI. See, you like the UI? Everything is populated. Yeah, but this is the UI that you guys will be seeing. Like, this is options, of course, and other things are all turned on. But like, for example, main menu options, this needs to be turned on. The game UI, inside of the game UI, you have a lot of things like the overlay, transactions, main menu. Okay, yeah, you have a lot of things turned on. Options panel. See, yeah, this is just a UI for the 2D version. Call it Ant Mode. I don't like it, but it is this version. The other thing, the other version, we have the character. Yeah, this one. Dungeon creation. Oh, like, for example, this one. Let me put on game. See, like, the character is there, and we can random generate one. Just
Miguel Costa says, we're not seeing tag.
oh yeah, sure. Yeah, I'm showing the game. Yeah, nice. Thank you. Yeah, like, I'm here. This is like the generation for minting random characters for development. We can generate a random character right now. Hopefully. Yeah, everything is broken. Nice. Let me Control Z. Okay, it's not working. Oh gosh. Let me create one. Okay. Random stats. Okay, the stats works. Setup character. It's something in the script that I shouldn't be. Okay, whatever. Okay. I will not do this right now. Neither this. But I will set up a random character. Okay. Yeah. Okay, anyway, this is the generation that I use for tests. Don't save. We also have something similar for dungeons. I'm not sure that it will generate. Maybe it needs like a controller or some sorts. I really don't remember. So yeah. I don't know what's dungeon selector. Like, everything is linked to some sort of like menu global manager. That's why it doesn't work properly. Let's see if this is this one, the game UI. For example, main menu. No, this is the menu. Yeah, this is what you're going to look at when you start Catacomb, the second version of Catacomb. This is the view, basically. When you are selecting your team, it will be something like this. Selecting a dungeon, something like this. Yeah, I can't show right now because somehow the chain version that I have running on my local machine, it's bugged. I need to review that. Anyway, something that I can show, like one of the things that I liked building was this scenario that I can turn off. Okay, this is like the PvP room. I used assets from the asset store, but I created the room, like build it, weld it together, and created everything. And I think the feel of the room really looks amazing. Of course, personal opinion, but I think it really shows no. I don't want anything selected. But you can see like the room, ignore the invisible lines here. But the room feels like
Miguel Costa says it looks dope.
Yeah. It looks really amazing. It took a lot of time for me to create this room. But I think like everything fits together really well. And if I don't know if I play it, I think it will throw me errors, but will give you a better sense of the game and feel. Yeah, I really like this. Like, see the fire. It really makes you feel like it's an haunted place, like a creepy vibe. So yeah, everything like details and whatnot. Yeah, I really liked building this game. So yeah. Another room. Team selector. Yeah, this, it's not going to work, but imagine. This is the team selector. You will have your characters here. We can put, okay, let me just to show you. We can put this UI here, and we have the team UI and the menu UI, for example. And you'll be able to like, there will be 3 characters here, and you'll be able to select the characters and change between them. It's something that I really quite enjoy, honestly, being able to switch your characters around, because it's your party. And I think that's it for this room. I'll just show you like the 3D view of the game. Also, this room was also built by me. Like every detail, everything that you'll see here. Yeah, the eyes of the skeletons. It's something that took some time, but I think the vibe and the feel that I created while building Catacomb really makes the game like amazing. Like the god rays, the clouds, the dust in the room. Yeah, every little detail I tried to create it. See, like you can select everything. Yeah, I know it's assets that I bought from the asset store, but I tried to make the game cohesive in a way. So yes, I really enjoyed making it. Another room. I wish the dungeon generation worked, because I would with that I will be able to show. I think this is kind of the dungeon generation. Let's see, engine UI. Okay. Let's try. Not 100% sure if this is going to work. Okay, it's working. This was one of the versions, but this is not the version that's being used for the dungeon generation. The dungeon generation is using I don't know why the UI it's not like working. Button panels, button mint, button generate dungeon, generate room, generate corridor. Okay. Yeah, see, I really this script to generate the dungeon in real time, it was created by me, and I really enjoyed making it. It's actually nice seeing it, like building the rooms and trying to fit them together. It's actually really nice, and then this works on mobile, which is amazing. Seeing like the computational power working and everything, it's really amazing. Like for example, I'm showing the room around, okay, but you can see like every little corner, every little thing on the rooms, right? I enjoy the random generation. I think when I come back to this project, I will put a lot more effort in terms of the random generation, because it's in random generation you can have patterns, and I think the way that this room looks or this dungeon looks, it's completely random. It doesn't have how I will say it doesn't have a flow to it, okay? It's just random. So if I generate random dungeon, and now it's going to be generating dungeons, and for them to generate they need to have 4 or 3 things. Basically it needs to have a boss room, it needs to have a starting point, and it needs to have a path between everything. So yeah, you'll see like we have a starting room here. This is the starting area. This does not show how the game will feel, because it needs like all of the camera effects and everything. This is just a view without any additional details, but this is to show you how the map is built. Here is the boss room. This is the main boss room. Yeah, and I really like the game, the feel of the game. For example, one of the things that makes this game stand out in terms of playability, and when in March 2022 we had a playable version that we tested with some community members, and it was really funny, because if you spam some attacks that your characters can have, you basically will become invincible. Yeah, and it was a attack buff and a defense buff, okay? So for example, the attack buff will make you one-shot anyone, and the defense buff will make you like really overpowered, because it will increase. It didn't add a cap, but I think I already fixed that. But it was fun. Playing the PvP version of this game. It was really funny creating it. Like I can tell you, I spent 14 hours a day, including weekends, building it. When we were on 2022, from February till the end of March. I spent a lot of time creating it, making it playable, making it yeah. The only thing that doesn't make it playable and it needs to be fixed. That's why I'm kinda removing the dependency on contracts and connecting to wallets. It's because let's be real. Why you need to connect with your wallet in the game? It doesn't make any sense. We should abstract that layer to the server that controls it. Like, you give allowances to the game that the game can use, okay? And then you play the game without needing to connect your wallet, needing to do anything. And that's where Catacomb is added. I don't want it to be specific on one blockchain. I want it to be blockchain agnostic, so it can work in any blockchain and it will be fine. I don't care about the blockchain, I care about the functionality. I care about it working. Okay? It's the main goal of the game. It's to work. It doesn't care about like any smart NFT or anything like that. It just I like, if you are going to play a game, you are going to play a game not because of the blockchain backend stuff that's doing it. You're going to play the game because the game is fun to play, right?
Miguel Costa says that transition to wallets and the so-called Web3 should come after. It's a good move.
No, I thought, yeah, I don't think, like, for you to play a game, you'll need to have a wallet. You shouldn't need, honestly. If you want, of course, like, the idea behind Catacomb in all of my games, it will be, like, you'll go to our website, the Crazy Tech Studio website, you'll link your wallet to an email address, and you enter with your email address. What I'm going to do is basically use either Google email, so we don't use passwords. Okay, it's safer that way. I'll use Google Auth, and I will use Apple Auth as well, just for us to have like two alternative ways to connect to the service. Because if you don't have a Google address, you most likely have an Apple one, okay? These are the two main ones. I don't want to handle user authentication in a way like username and password, because with that it comes it will open up a door for users to try to brute force the service, and you'll need to add an overhead in terms of security, and I don't think like that's really the point. I think the point is ship a game that is playable, fun, enjoyable, and if you happen to earn NFTs and happen to earn some rewards by playing it, yeah, that's a bonus. But the motto of the games, it's not blockchain centric or like focused on the blockchain side of things, but it should be focused on the game side of things. And I think that's why almost all of the game
Miguel
developers
Costa says, absolutely. The wallet connection should be a possibility, not an obligation. You just lose gamers before they even try the game, and it looks so cool. Congrats.
Thank you. And that's why I'm removing the layer of the wallet. I don't think it shouldn't be needed. Like, when you are linking up the wallet, I already have that. I already have that working because I had it working, but stuff on the API changed. I don't know what happened, but I already had that working, already had the allowances working, and I showed the team at some point, the Phantasma team, at some point that showed it working, and they really liked it, and they thought my change towards not having a wallet obligation, it's the best thing that you can have, because I will like abstract the wallet if you have a wallet, it'll be fine. You go to our website, you link up the wallet, you connect your wallet to your thing, and you'll be able to like withdraw your NFTs that you earn. If you don't link up the wallet, you'll be able to withdraw them. If you link up your wallet, when you give allowances to our contract to use some of your funds, basically what will happen is we will use the allowances that you gave us to use, and then you'll receive directly the NFTs. So like it's if you don't have a wallet, we will generate one. If you have a wallet and you link up, you'll receive everything. Okay, that's the main thing of our game. So yeah, a lot of things opened. I need to start closing some stuff. And this is the game server. The game server took me a lot of time to make it right. And it generates based on the seed. It generates the character, and the character will always be the same. There's some work to do still, but you get the idea. I'm not sure about how I will do it in a way. What I mean by this, how I will do it. Let me see if Docker is running. No, Docker is not running. Give me 1 second, let me refocus my brain. Okay. How I will do it in terms of not game development, but in terms of showing the sorry, my brain. Sorry, I'm getting there. Basically, the goal is to make the game feel amazing. No, it's not that. Oh, I lost my thought. Jesus, it happens. Yeah. I still in Catacomb. I still need to do some things like I'm generating like the character sword and shield, but there's some stuff that needs to be done on the server side of things. I'll need to improve the backend a bit, clean up, because the code it's quite messy. Not gonna lie, and yeah. Besides that, I'm liking where Catacomb was. I think no one really played Catacomb yet, but like I feel sad because I really want people to play my games, and I think Catacomb is one of the games that I really dedicated myself. So it's like I really want people to appreciate what I have done and built and put a lot of time into it, and the same thing goes for this project for Chase Me to the Moon. I really want to release it. I really want to make it feel make it look and feel really amazing, so people will be able to enjoy it. But yeah, I was trying to see if I can find the it's not here. I don't know. Anyway, I was trying to see if we can fix this. It's always a problem. Sorry. Rendering. If I change to an unlit, yeah, I knew it. Unlit. I need to change all the materials. Oh, geez. Gosh. For example, fill press. Okay, materials. I'll go to here. I'll go the skybox. No, but everything. Okay. Unlit. Okay. At least now it has something. Okay. Unlit. Oh, unlit. Yeah. And this one is what? I think you can do something like you can generate the material, right? I think there's something that you can do with it. Like edit, rendering materials, convert to your page shaders. Yeah, I don't know. Materials. Like, see, all of these materials are not getting the shaders correctly. Okay, perfect. Proceed. Okay, let's see if this one works. Okay, at least the materials are kind of rendering. But these ones are not, like mountain. Why it's not working? Tools. Okay, this is what more mountains. World space. Okay, compile and show. I don't want to see the shader, but I'm trying to see if it fixes the base scene. Sometimes, like when you are creating a project and you want to have a shader working, oh, it's really painful. It is. Unity doesn't make it simple. Yeah. See, like, I don't understand why it's not working. For example, I selected a material. I think if I can try to convert it, yeah, I need to select like Feel Barbarian. I need to select like this, and I'm gonna select every material. I'm gonna yeah, convert. Sorry, convert. Hopefully. Yeah, I knew it. Okay, anyways. let's work on what really matters, honestly. Initialize, clear everything. Okay, let's go. I have a list of things to do, honestly, so I need to look at it. Okay. Okay, we should use the simulator. Perfect. Create a room. Just to see the status of what we did. Basically, we created this change. I know it doesn't feel right. Yeah, we needed to fix some stuff. When you scroll back, it's not working. This is where we left off. So basically, when we try to go, we are out of range. So yeah, let's see. And point it up. If the mouse position okay, it goes to the right, and this it goes to the left. If it's less than 0, okay, it goes to the last one. It updates the rocket ship to the current ship selection, and it for loops. Basically, it for loops the count, and supposedly does the inverse of this thing. Ship, okay. Okay, I can't lose the page. Okay, so let's go. Supposedly what we're going to do today, and I'm quite late because I was showing you guys Catacomb, but I'll do my best, honestly. Okay, so if we do something like this, update user rocket ship, why you need it? Oh, I don't think it's because of this, but I'm just going to fix this, and I'm going to go to single player and reshape single player, so we can improve single player mode a bit. It needs some love. It really does need some love, because the other day I really wanted to play the game, and I wasn't able to do it. So yeah, that's why I really want to play the game and improve the single player version, so we can have some fun. So we go from the position 0, we'll go from the top to the bottom. So yeah, and we'll go to the rocket ship, count -1. we don't need this then. I plus 1 less, if it's less than, okay, this will happen always. Okay, 0 plus 1, it's 1. 1 is less than 2. Yes. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 is less than 1. No. So this needs to be this way. Okay. And when I 0, 1, 2. Okay, when it's 2, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 is less than, it's less than the count, because it's not less or equal, so it doesn't enter here. So it's above, it's equals. So when it's 2, and this is 3, 3 minus 1, it's 2. So it enters here, enters here. Current rocket ship index. Theoretically, this works. Else if the Y is it will go to the selected rocket ship and the position and the scale, and it will go to the I. And I think like the first one is 0, so it will go to the last one, and it will change the position and the scale to the other ones, and it will add the rocket ship as well and reverse it. So what does this make? This makes that it adds like a stack. So the first one that will be added, it will be the position 0, the second one it will be position 1, and the third one will be position the third position. Okay, 0, 1, 2 in this case. I need to think that way. So we add everything and we reverse it, so the last will be the first. Which, is it correct? Because if I'm adding the last, like this is 0, 1, 2. So the last one, yes, it should be the first. Okay. Because like we need to reverse basically this logic. That's cold. Ah, Jesus. Ah, cooling. Maybe it's something dumb. It's always something dumb. It's always. Okay, let's debug it. I really want to go line by line of what's happening here. Enable debugging session for this session, yes. Okay. Previous. So -1, it's less. Count, it's 3, -1. So we'll go to 2. Perfect. What we do? We are at the position 0. Okay. We'll go to the rocket ship 1, position 0, transform that position, and we will go to the next position. The same thing goes for the scale. And we will add it to the index, okay? Okay. Did it change? No, it didn't change. Okay. Perfect. So we can see all of the rocket ships that are inside. We have the rocket ship 1. So we have the names and everything. Perfect. And we have all of the rocket ships, okay? We can see all of the rocket ships. We have 1, 2, and 3. So the first one that was added, the position of it right now, I think it changed. For example, position. The rocket ship 2 position is 37635 or whatever. 376 595. Okay, the rocket ship 1 right now, after the changes, we know that we supposedly changed the place to the second one. Yeah, basically it should move to the right. It's there. Nice. Now the second one, we are at the rocket ship 1, and we should go to the last one, like to the left. So let's see if we are going to the left, for example. No, we need to check it. So rocket ship 1, the position changed, okay? So supposedly it's working. Now it is changing the current rocket ship index. Okay, and we add it to the list. So yeah, it's working. Okay, and right now it's 3. The I plus 1, it will be 3. It won't work. So yeah, we are going to the second one. It will enter here exactly, and we should change to the select rocket ship position. The select rocket ship position, it's 642 whatever. And
Miguel Costa says, "Gotta run. Have a good day, Tech. Remember to take some rest as well."
Yeah, thank you. Bye, Miguel. Have a nice day. Thank you for joining, and thank you for talking with me. Have a nice day. So, debugging. Rocket ship position. So we are at the second one, and we will be changing the position of it to the center one, basically. We are changing the position to the select the position and scale. Don't forget about that. And we are adding it to the to the actual thing. Then we are going to reverse the list that we added. So the last one to be added is going to be the first one in the list, and it makes sense. So we end the for loop. Okay, we end the for loop, and now supposedly the first position should start with 0. Yeah, x is 0. Okay, it doesn't look wrong. It doesn't look wrong. I'm gonna see the original list. Yeah. Is the current index used for something? Honestly, because I don't think it is. It is used for anything besides besides this script. So supposedly it should change accordingly. So yeah, okay, whatever. Sometimes having the debugger running for a long time, it causes memory leaks. I hate it. Basically, I need to test the other way around. It's coming to the right place. Did I fix it? They are changing places. They are switching between them, but they are not changing with this one. So the current index in terms of the global schema, it's not this one. It's actually... It will always be 0, right? What? No. Current rocket ship index. It starts at 0, okay? 0 minus 1, it goes to the last one. And then you'll go to the last one. So it shouldn't be changed inside of it. Yeah, it shouldn't be changed inside of it. That's why this doesn't make... In a way, this doesn't make any sense. I'm tracking two things at once, which is really weird. Oh, Jesus. Because the current rocket chip will always be 0. Supposedly. Okay. Let's go. I forgot to turn it off. Turn it off, please, please, please. Yeah. It should always be 0. Like, it should always non-negative. Okay, let's... For example, in this one, it should be the last one. In a way, it will always be the last one, and the other one, it will always be the first one. Yeah. Because since I reversed the arrays, I know what the position is. Anyway. What? Multiplayer, UI, version 2, player rocket chip selection. Into the... Okay. Jesus. 1, 2... Okay. Coding is amazing and you know it is. So what are you trying to do? Multiplayer room UI. Okay. 0 307. Okay. So if I do it to the right. Okay. Okay, and if I do it to the left. Supposedly it will go. The first one will go to here. This one will go to here. And this one will go to here. Now let's do it the other way around. Where did I put the script? I think it's in here. Two, three, two, three, two, three, two. That's why. What it needs to do is basically it goes to the let me think. It goes to the first one and puts it in the second place. It goes to the second place. It goes to the first one and it will move it to the second place. Correct. It goes to the second one and moves to the last place in this case. Correct. Then you'll go to the... I think I'm reversing it too early. I think I need to reverse it and then reverse it again. So I will add the first one, it will be the top, and then I need to change so it re-renders the list, and then when I last add the last one I need to reverse it, because it will go to the last one to the top, supposedly. Because this logic is correct. This logic is also correct, which is really weird, and I don't want to create any trouble, and I want to do it this way because I know it won't change anything. No, it's here. Okay. So the only problem that I'm having, thank you everyone that joined the stream. Thank you for being here. And like we reached 30 visualizations, which is awesome, by the way. Thank you everyone. So why? Why? 1, 2, 3. If I go to the right, 3, 1, 2. Maybe this is correct. I don't know. Then I'll move to the right. 2, 3, 1. We are all. Then we move to the right. No, then we move to the left. So this is always going to be 0. For this to make sense, it needs to always be 0. Because you need to always get the first rocket ship and the last one. Because the selection will always be either the first one or the last one. Maybe that's why it's causing this type of issues. Because we are changing the selection. Okay, I can... Now let's do it backwards. Yeah, finally. It's working! It's working! Yeah, it's working. I really liked it. Nice. Move on. Fix that issue. So, I think we haven't gave a lot of love to the single player game. So, like, the game is quite different from the multiplayer one right now, which is weird. But basically what we need to do is scale it up. I know the game, the prefabs that I chose kind of don't match, but this will be changed. Okay, this will be changed, this will be changed. Rotation, it looks like it has some type of rotation, but I don't like it. Okay, perfect. Okay. Okay, we did something already, which is nice. I think I should do, it's not like ship select, we should do the same thing that we did for multiplayer, in my opinion, because single player, sorry, ship select, okay, like multiplayer, turn it off, main menu, turn it off. Yeah, see, like, it's way too big, but the idea will be something similar. Honestly, I don't want to do something really weird. I just want to do something really basic. Okay, play button. Let's put it here. I don't like this because I want to do the swipe thing. I think it looks really amazing. The name, play button, player name. It doesn't need to be this big, honestly. So what we are going to do is we are going to make it smaller. Okay, we are going to make it appear somewhere, not here. Okay, so I think the map selection here with map name. So let's do it. Panel. Okay, map selection. Okay, and let's do a UI. Map selection placeholder, and we'll do like, okay, will be something like it, like this. This will be the placeholder. I don't like it to do full screen. I'll do it like, in terms of width, I'll go 800, just to make it look bigger. In terms of position, of course, and like 700, okay, from the center of the screen. The 8, I'll go with 600. Yeah, okay. I like it. What are we going to do now? Is basically we need the I'm not sure if it's, let me check if it's raw image or if it's just an image. It's an image. Yeah, it's an image. Image or raw image? Raw. Not sure. Anyway, raw image. No, it's an image. Yeah, image. Okay. So what we are going to do is map place, because the map placeholder is everything. The map place will be almost everything. We'll just do like far, not far, but at the bottom we'll do it 200. No, it doesn't look right. It needs to be something like this. How much is this? 184. 4. Okay, no, it needs to be more than 4. So 8, 8, 8. 16. Okay, better. The map place is going to be maskable. In these, what you're going to do is a mask. So if it goes over the space, we'll do something like a game image. For example, this one, you'll preserve the aspect ratio. I think we did. So we know that in this case, we need to kind of make it smaller. And then if we want to do it properly, we will increase it. So this way we'll have the image bigger. 650, 715, and 620. Okay, I like it. Okay, in this case, we are already coming along. What we will need to add also is a text, and we'll call it map name. We'll put it down there. We'll increase the font size to bold. We change the font to something that we like. I don't remember which one I used in the other one, but let's go with this. I'll put map name. I'm gonna center it, and map place, I'm gonna put it here. Let's do this. I like giving it like some space to breathe. I'll put it like 96. No, 96 is too big. Like 48. 48 is actually nice. Let's increase the size. Let's do it this way. So it has some space to breathe. 70. Actually, I will put the name a little bit lower. 24. Okay, looks nice. Now, also we can do placeholder, and we'll do, if we are going to do something similar, we could kind of copy it. It's basically, you'll have the map panel, okay, and you'll have the game mode. This is going to be the map panel, and this is going to be the because it should be possible to change the game mode. I'm gonna put 0 and 0. I'll put 8. So this image will also, this is 16 by 16. So the game mode could be something along those lines as well. So I'll put 16, and then for it to align, yeah. Okay, I like it. I know it looks a little bit weird. This should be here. I'll put like a panel, map holder. This has the mask. No, this shouldn't have the mask. What does have the mask? What should have the mask? Is the map holder. Mask. And you should do something like... map name goes over map place. Map holder has the mask. Yes, this needs to change to this, like 16, 16, 16, 128, and this should be like full screen. Okay, this should go like this should go like this. Perfect. Okay, so we'll have we'll have something like this. It's not perfect, okay, but it will look really cool in a way. I really like it. I don't like this button, so let's I removed something. Let's remove these buttons. The only button that will stay, it will be the play button. I'll change the size to 500 by 120. Okay, change the position. Yeah, it's better this way. The map selection. Not needed. What we need is basically this. We will move it here. $512. The player name. Okay. The player name should be somewhere. Where, I don't know. I'll put it in the center for now, so you know that you are, that your name is whatever. Actually, it's not needed. It needs to be redesigned, honestly. But yeah. The play button will be down here, and we'll do something really similar. Again, that looks like this, because I really enjoyed making this part, and I think it actually makes a lot of sense having it. I will put it here somehow. I'll put it here. 0, right, 0. Yep. And the play button, again, the player name will be here, the player button will be here. So the user will be able to change the rocket ship as it pleases. I don't think you'll need your name here. But yeah. Now play rocket ship. What you'll need. This is the way to change it. Will it be working? We don't know yet. This I know it won't work right out of the box because you'll need to do some kind of work. 600. Okay. For this to be working, we also will need the multiplayer. I think it's the room. Oh. Now we'll go to the single player and we'll do something like this as well. Player 1 to place. I don't think you'll need this. Okay. So I'm gonna copy this to here. It's already predetermined, so the script should work. I just need to put the script in the exact place. So I'll come here. I'll do something like this just to organize things. Okay, so in here what we need is, let me think. Actually, we will do something like, okay, let's put a brighter color. Okay. But light brighter color. Okay, nice. Oh no, this is the multiplayer room. No. It's this one. I need this one. This is need a brighter color. I like it. Let's remove this. So let's see. I'm not 100% sure that it will work. Nothing like testing it. Okay, it works. Nice. Okay. Nice. What I will do is I'll have something in here that if it's multiplayer, okay, if it's a multiplayer thing, like this is not needed, and we know it's not needed. This is also not needed, and it will fuck up everything. So basically what we do is multiplayer manager instance. Yeah, basically we do something like this. Else It's not spawned, it's enabled. Sorry. Ugh. Sorry, I'm thinking. We're close. Disconnect. Is connected. Is host. Is server. Is local player. Is on. Is client. Is spawned. Is active and enabled. Yeah, is active and enabled. Else, even if it's not else, what are you going to? Okay, I'll create a void set rocket ship. It's game manager instance of sure. Which one it is? I know that we have a manager, not multiplayer. That's the single player managers. Yeah, we have a manager. And this manager gosh, which one it is? I don't remember. Manager point system. This is the map configurations. It is the game manager? No, I don't think it's a game manager. It's not the game manager. It's the manager. I don't think I use it, the single player manager. Yeah, I don't. And if I put a method, I should put that on the manager and not on this one. So it will go like public void set player rocket ship, and we can pass the ship, and in this case manager, not global manager, just manager. Okay, global. I think I'll put an int, and then we can convert it, and then save it, and there we go. Basically, and when the rocket ship selection works, yeah, it just needs to be changed in one place, which is amazing. Then yeah, it's a lot of things, Jesus. So then if I press play,
Hit Rain says, hi.
hi, it's Rain. Welcome to the stream. I think you are like the first one that entered on Twitch, so welcome.
Hit Rain says, what are you doing?
I'm coding my game, a game that I created with my girlfriend. It's called Chase Me to the Moon. It's a game to be the first one to reach the moon. Right now we are improving the single player experience because it was lacking a lot of the same features that you had in multiplayer. So yeah, we are doing that right now. Yeah, it still needs a lot of work, but we are getting there. We are getting there. Multiplayer main menu, connect wallet, UI. I think I'll go to the single player game, select the main screen. It's awful. The size of the projection, I think I'm using 10 on multiplayer, if I'm not wrong. Scenes, multiplayer, game. Yeah, 10. Remove scene. Okay. This way.
Hit Rain says, what is the game about?
Oh, okay. The game is about you play as a rocket ship and you'll try to reach the moon. The game is called Chase Me to the Moon because me and my girlfriend, we really enjoy the moon and space related things. And this project was created for a college assignment that I had, and we created it together. And the game is just to be like a simple, casual game that you play to be the first to reach the moon. It's like almost like a racing space game in a 2D way. Really basic game, but I wanted to have a multiplayer thing, and you will be able to customize your rocket ship. Yeah, right now the game needs some work, but I can show you like a demo. A demo of the... sorry. I'll show you a demo of the game. 1 second. Yeah. The multiplayer is better than the single
Rain
player.
says, sounds interesting.
Oh, thank you. So here, like, you can select the map. The maps isn't... this is just placeholders. Because we don't have maps well defined yet. They will need to be worked on. But this is the one, like the first map is the one that is most built. It got a lot of work. So let's go. So while you are trying to reach the moon, you'll need to avoid asteroids. And since this game it is already multiplayer, you'll be able to either kill your enemies, like your friends and family in the game, in a fun way. Some of the perks that you can collect, like this one, gives you bullets that allows you to shoot, like to fire, and if the bullet hits an asteroid, it will destroy. It has a cooldown of 5 seconds, I think. Just so you don't have to press any button, you just control your spaceship. It's a really basic game. And the ideology behind it is it's a game for all of the family to play and try to be fun, because if you play with a lot of people, of course it will become funny, because you'll be...
Stellargate says, hello.
Thank you for the following. For the follow. Yeah. Thank you. So yeah, like I won. I reached the moon. In this case, I reached the moon, so I won. But if we were...
says, welcome.
Thank you. If we were playing together, what could happen is, like, while you are getting perks that you saw on the game, right? Some of the perks will increase, like, for example, the enemy speed, it will increase the enemy size, it will slow the enemy. And why...
Rain says, a really interesting project.
Thank you. So yeah, this is really something that I have been working on. I will be working on 2 days from now, on Thursday as well. This stream was more about me showing off the other project that I have, and the project that I will also be working on after this one. It's called Catacomb right now, but the name will change. The game is more in a 3D manner, in a 3D world. I will go into much detail. Sorry, one second. Sorry. To viewers, to followers, I think I'm one of the viewers. Hello, Stellargate.
NP.
So yeah, basically the other project, you can look it up on the website. Let me... Crazy Tech Studio. If you go to Crazy Tech Studio, you don't need to believe me, but you can go...
Crazy Studio says, link slash.
Yeah, you can go to that website. This is my company website, and you will be able to learn more about Catacomb. Like, it's here. See, like, the Catacomb. What does Catacomb have? See, like, it details the game in a way. The same thing goes for Chase Me to the Moon. Yeah. And the same thing goes for Naxium. But let's continue. Regarding Axiom, this one is also another one that I will be focusing after Chase Me to the Moon. Of course, I will be between Catacomb and Axiom. The Axiom one, I think it will be the funnier of all of the games that I have already created. If you want to test some games that I have already created, this is the link to it.
Studio says link slash.
I will also link it in the YouTube. Sorry. Which one? Not this one. Sorry, not this one. It's this one.
Hit Rain says, did you make the website?
Oh yeah. All of the website was entirely made by me. Yeah. What? Where the hell is that? Okay. 1, 2. To which one? Okay. Sorry. The itch.io website, it's an itch.io website, but the other one, it's all made by me. For Catacomb, I also created a game launcher, so it's easier to receive updates, and that's it was the whole goal behind creating the game launcher for Catacomb. It's a cross-platform.
Hit Rain says, so you also do web development?
I do software, game, web, blockchain. Yeah, I do everything in terms of development. I do everything, back end, front end, anything. I like doing stuff. I like tinkering around and trying like Svelte. I did not try React yet because I know how to mess around, but I don't like it. It's a framework that I really.
Hit Rain says, wow, Superman.
Thank you. Yeah, I have like software development. This is game development, but you can see a lot of like Catacomb. You can see farming. You can see the Naxium one. You can see where's the AI one. I also have I contribute to an AI project as well. Yeah, I did a lot of stuff for 1 second, because I want to close this so it opens up a new window. Okay, perfect. So I can show you like all of the projects. Yeah, I like working on things, trading bots. I like working on stuff.
Hit Rain says,
For example, website, the hub. This is the Phantasma Hub. This is a project for a company that I work for. This project is fully open source. You can check it out if you want. I can link you. Let me get
Hit Rain says, love Svelte.
Oh, me too. I really do love Svelte. I created SDKs for Python. I created SDKs for C# and for Unity. I know C# and Unity it's the same thing, but specific ones. Python, C#, TypeScript. I contribute to the most majority of the TypeScript thing as well. So let me get the TypeScript repos. Yeah, how can I see the
Hit Rain
repos?
says, have you heard what's coming to Svelte 5?
Runes? Is it runes? Phantasma TS. Yeah, like and
Hit Rain says, yes.
yeah, like you can already use runes. It's only one rune, I think, but you can already use them. I'm seeing like the Okay, I'll show you like the project itself. This is the Phantasma Hub, the project that I was showing you here. This is live. This is the live version. Yeah, basically it's a UI that interacts with a blockchain, allows you to do a lot of stuff, interact with smart contracts. Yeah, creates a DAO, contract interaction. You can select like a contract and you'll be able to interact with it. Yeah, like decode information that's base 16 encoded, and you'll be able to decode it, get the transaction by hash and whatnot. So yeah, like I don't only do web, I do everything, and also I know Bash. I know Bash to create some scripts, because I also deploy. I deploy them. I deploy the websites. I deploy backends, front ends. I create. I manage like servers. So yeah, I do a lot of things, completely different, separate things. But yeah. Right now, for 2024, the year that we are at, my main goal for this year is learn Rust, be good at it. It's the only language that I'm targeting, because I really want to learn that language. It's really fast, and I know that if I really understand it in a really low level, I will be able to develop a lot of not only games, but games mostly, in a way that will be faster, secure, and hopefully non-prone to errors, because the Rust compiler, it's something that it's fun to deal with. Yeah, like you can see all of this, because this is all publicly available. I was trying to get the link to it. Okay, I'm just getting it. It's GitHub, so yeah.
Crasitic Studio says link.
That's the actual repo for that project. You can check it out. It's not the most well developed, because it could be improved in terms of code. I try to do my best, but of course I have a lot of projects simultaneously. I maintain a blockchain. I maintain the blockchain. I was a developer. I was and I am a developer for Phantasma blockchain, and while maintaining it, right now it doesn't need a lot of maintenance, because it got to a state, a safe state, basically. But it needed a lot of work, fixes, making it secure. Yeah. So it's fun. I really enjoy like doing a lot of different things, because it keeps my mind entertained. It keeps my mind fire at all cylinders, and also makes me feel in a way that I'm learning, and that's one of the things that I really love. It's learn and enjoy the process of doing it, like learning a new language, learning a new library, learning a new thing. It's something that really entices my brain and makes me feel alive. Yeah. So coding this game is a really awesome experience, and this is just one of the games that no one has ever seen. Like
Rain says, I'm sorry, I'm having problems with the internet. I don't know what it is. It's always freezing. I haven't heard much.
No problem. I think actually it might be in my side, because my internet is also having some bitrate issues. So I think it might be me, honestly. But yeah, this is one of the projects that my company, Crazy Tech Studios, is going to. I think I'll show you. One of the. I'll put it. I'll change the intermission because I will stop coding. Just to end the stream. But basically, this is my cards. You can see it like it's here, like the card. It has my info, my email. And yes, like that's the thing. I really want to create something. I really want to create experiences for people to enjoy. And I have like, this game is coming, it's getting finished, I think 2 weeks, honestly. If I still keep coding the game, 2 weeks will be enough to finish it. Yeah, because next week I will have more free time to dedicate to the game, so this game will come to an end.
Happy for you.
Yeah. This game will come to an end, and it will be really fun to finish it. I really want to, like, all of the design, all of the not UI elements, but all of the elements that you see, like the coins. You don't see it. Sorry. Gosh, recording. All of the coins, for example, in the Chase Me to the Moon game, all of the coins, the rocket ship, the moon, the stars, the asteroids.
Kid Rain says, I wish you success in your projects and that you succeed.
Thank you. On Thursday I will stream, so if you want to come, we will be more than welcome, happier to have you and welcome you to the stream. So yeah, so basically all of the UI that you see, the ones that are not complete is just placeholders, but the ones that you can see, like the rocket ship, the stars, the moon, and whatnot, this was my girlfriend that designed everything, and she's the artist, I'm just the developer. Yeah. So yes. Now I think for this stream we will end up here. I know that we did not do a lot in terms of what I had in mind, but yeah, it's fine.
Kid Rain says, I'm also working on the project, but so far everyone hates it.
What do you mean? What's the project about? Oh gosh, oh, no. Yeah, okay. Okay, perfect.
Kid Rain says, ******.
I don't know what asterisk means. Thank you for the follow. Alert stream. Okay. Yeah. So I think for now, let me put it on intermission. Okay. I think we reached the point that I'll be going.
Kid Rain says, I sent a link, but it must have been blocked.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't know about the definitions. I'm new to this, so Try it with spaces or something.
Hit Rain says, click Netlify app.
Okay, I'll check it. I'll be wait, come on. I'll be ending the stream here. But I'll okay. Right, leave. Second. Okay, it's let me see. So you are creating a CSS library. I'm checking it. So you are creating a CSS library.
Hit Rain says, yes.
That's nice. I hope that you find success with it. Honestly, I wish you the best. I think I should be, yeah. I really wish you the best, man. I will check the app, by the way. I will check it. I will check your GitHub because yeah. But I will take a look. I will take a look at it. By the way, I really enjoy Tailwind. I think you are creating like a wrapper layer to Tailwind, if I'm looking at it and getting it right. Yeah, we are kind of doing like a wrapper layer to Tailwind. I really enjoy Tailwind, by the way. I think the points that you target are really valid, honestly, because Tailwind fails when you are trying to set up really specific details like the pixels and EMs. So yeah, I think what you are targeting, it's fair. I'll give it a look. I'll start you, by the way. I'll start you. Oh, it's not connected to GitHub, but I will start you later.
Hit Rain says, no, it's not a Tailwind. It's a separate library written from scratch.
Okay, so but does it have everything compiled in a way that is like Tailwind, or completely different bundler, a different way of interacting? I saw.
Here says, hi new subscriber.
Hi new subscriber. What? Hi Kaber, welcome to the stream. We are just discussing with Twitch right now. Hi, welcome to the channel. We will be streaming 2 days from now, not tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. So yeah, we will be streaming Chase Me to the Moon as well.
Kabir says, what do we do here?
What I do here is I live stream while I code my game. Chase Me to the Moon. It's the name of the game. You can, if you have an iPhone, you can check it. It's under development, so don't expect too much. The version that was released had a lot of bugs and issues, but we are improving it. We are improving the UI. We are improving the gameplay, and we are improving everything that surrounds the game. So if you want to check it, go to if you have an iPhone, go to the App Store, search Chase Me to the Moon, and you'll have it. You can download it, you can interact it, you can do anything with it.
Kabir says, is it not available on Android? I have a Samsung.
Not right now. Actually, the story behind it, regarding the App Store thing, was because I mistakenly deployed it. Yeah, because I thought I was sending it to tests, and I deployed it. I don't know. But yes, it will come to Android. We already have a version for Android, but it was not published. I want to publish it when we improve.
His Rain says, you can try it in the playground. Read the documentation to see the differences. Okay, I'll leave you to it.
Thank you. I will give it a try. I'll give it a try. Thank you for the recommendation, Etrain. Really appreciate it. I really enjoy playing around with CSS, so for sure I'll be checking that one out. Do you know about one of the libraries that everyone used? Of course, it was Bootstrap. But after Bootstrap, I went to Bulma. I don't know if not a lot of people knows about Bulma CSS. It's a CSS library. I don't know if it's still available. But it was one of the libraries that I used at the time. It's really old. I don't think they. Okay, they still develop it, right? Yeah, I don't know. I'm not 100% sure, but I use them. And yes, so I'll give it a go. So, thank you everyone that joined the stream. I really appreciate. I'll let go. It's 2.5 hours. Thank you everyone. If you want to check my content, go to YouTube. I have some videos. I don't have video editings of game devlogs or something like that. I don't. I just stream the game development. If you enjoy, go take a look, subscribe, and yeah. Thank you everyone. Hopefully we will finish this project that Chase Me to the Moon, so it will be always under development because I will want to improve it later on. I have some game ideas to improve it. I just want to launch the first version so we can play together and we can have some fun. So I'll end up here. Thank you everyone, really appreciate it. See you on the next one. So bye guys.